In this video, we're going to talk about how to associate a Cypher statement back into the scenarios area. So just to recap, what we did was in the beginning, we had a couple of questions that we wanted to answer using graph technology. So we wrote down the questions or added them as scenarios in the scenarios tool. Then we started our data model, and that's shown over here. In a different video, we enhanced the data model and we talked about instance modeling. Later on, we also talked in other videos, we talked about how to create the actual data and create like a movies database using the sample movies database, movies data. We added this movies database card. We imported the model here, and then we wrote a Cypher statement using the Cypher builder. So now with all that, what we're going to do is that Cypher statement, we're going to link back to this question, who has produced the most movies. So I'm going to click this button. There's only one Cypher statement that's available, and this is the one we've created using the Cypher builder. All I have to do is click on it, and then now it's associated. A couple things to note. There's this little icon up here that now has turned to a green check mark, which indicates that this scenario is now satisfied by a Cypher statement. Also, there's a count up here. There's 1 out of 2 scenarios that have been satisfied. So this one still has no Cypher statement, therefore it's not marked, and you see it's still blue. A couple things we can do is, for one, this is our data model. We might want to validate that from the beginning. As we went through the data modeling process, then we wrote our Cypher, did our import, all that kind of stuff. Everything still matches up. So I'm going to run this validate here. And you'll note that I'm getting a validation issue. And so I'm going to click on it. And you'll see that it's saying that person produced movie is not in the model. And that's because what we did was when we started modeling, we're using like conceptual modeling and stuff. Then we actually switched to, we imported a model. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the model here to the one we used during import. And given that, what I can do now is I can let me see if I revalidate. Yeah, so now it's good. This did not disappear, but so you don't need to click this. In fact, it should have gone away. It's probably a bug. But so now what we can do is if we click this now, what's going to show is, yes, so now it's showing the path that is being taken by the Cypher statement. So we have person produced a movie, and now we can see this valid Cypher matches our data model, and everything's good. That's it for this video. What I'm going to do in the next video is we're going to work on answering this second question. Thank you.